ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 86, ஸ்லோகா 10. சம்சுப்த திரௌபதேய க்ஷபணஹததியம் द्रौणिमेत्य त्वदुक्त्या तन्मुक्तं ब्राह्ममस्त्रं समहृतविजयो मौलिरत्नं च जह्रे उच्चित्यै पाण्डवानां पुनरपि च विशति उत्तरागर्भमस्त्रे रक्षन् अङ्गुष्ठमात्रः किल जठरम् अगाः चक्रपाणिः विभो त्वम्. Word by word meaning. Samsupta Draupadeya Kshapana Hatadiyam. Samsupta, sleeping. Draupadeya, the sons of Draupadi. Kshapana, killing. Hatadiyam, the evil-minded. Draunim, Drona's son. Ashwathama, Yethya, going towards. Tanmuktam, Brahmam, Astram, the Brahmastra discharged by him. Tvaduktya, at thy command. Vijayaha, Arjuna. Samahritaha, stopped. Mauli Ratnam cha Jahre, he also took away the crest jewel. Punaha api chaha, again. Pandavanam Uchityai, to extinguish the line of the Pandavas. Astre, when the weapon. Discharged again by Ashwathama. Uttara Garbham, the womb of Uttara. Pravishati, entered. He Vibho, O Lord. Tvam, thou. Angushthamatraha, of the size of the thumb. Chakrapanihi, discus in hand. Rakshan, protecting. Jataram, Agaha, killer. Didst enter the womb of Uttara. Full meaning. Going towards the evil-minded Ashwathama, who had killed the sleeping sons of Draupadi, Arjuna stopped at thy command the Brahmastra discharged by him and also took away his crest jewel. When Ashwathama again discharged a weapon into the womb of Uttara in order to extinguish the line of the Pandavas, O Lord, thou didst assume the size of a thumb and didst enter Uttara's womb with a discus in thy hand and protect the fetus. Note, this verse is based on Bhagavata Skanda 1, chapters 7 and 8, which may be seen for full details of this episode. Om Tat Sat.